Hello, Death Imminent here, and another tutorial for GarrysMod. RC planes this time, with wire, not too hard to make, thankfully, with all this, but most of that's just guns and other rubbish. So let's take one out. It's laser guided, so it'll go wherever your laser goes. Just link it up. Oh. I've added sort of a middle boost and then a big boost. So yeah. So let's go on making them. So first you need to spawn yourself and then a fuselage or a body. I normally do it with about this one, just because it's a reasonable size. This can be anything, as it's whatever you want it to be. I'll just get this quickly done. Right. So I don't really think it matters if not even. Just I'm not even sure if it matters if it has wings on. But I just like it because it looks more like a massive plane. So that's his basic plane. So you're going to want to go onto wire, scroll all the way down to the bottom, see that thruster under wire physics. If you go on that, then you want the force multiplier to be around 2000-ish, 2500-ish. You want it bidirectional, works out of water, works underwater, XYZ world, and don't click use your pitch inputs instead. You can have the sounds whatever you want of the model and stuff. If you put that in the middle, front, and then you get your thruster, and you put that down to, well, depending on how big your plane is, it varies. This will only be a little bit. So I'll go on the back. Right. So when you scroll up a little more, you see numpad input. I just do it to mouse 3 because it's a little bit easier. And if you do it to toggle as well, that's a lot easier. And then you go a bit more to laser pointer receiver. Doesn't matter if they collide or anything. And we need a GPS. And then you go to gates. Then you get some arithmetic gates. Then you need 3 of those. Right, that's it. Let's just start wrapping it up. So you want the mo from the vector thruster to go to your numpad input. Then you want the x to go to your first subtract, your y to go to your second subtract, your z to your third. Then you get the a from your first one, which would have been your x, and go to the GPS x, and then a from your y subtract, then GPS y, and then z to z. And then you get your b from the subtract, which would have been the x, then go to x on the laser pointer receiver, then the second subtract, which would be your y, go to b, and then y, and the same z. Then if you go onto the back, just click on A, then input, mod. When you right click on it, doesn't matter if you lace on or not. You'll see on the bottom left, link successfully. Right, then it shows just work. And if it does that, then one, you haven't got any laser control, which may help. Oh yeah, it's a lot better. It goes in a direction now. So yeah, there you are. Your plane, RC plane. Let's go for a nice flyby, see if it does it. Is it coming? It's gonna crash. Probably. There it is. A little bit wobbly. But that's just down to your design. You can edit that however you want. Earlier today I tried to do a 4-engine propeller World War II bomber thing. And it wouldn't even get off the floor. It was a bit too heavy. So yeah, just try things. It seems to go a little bit low and it'll tilt a little bit to the left as well. Or right, whichever way. Yeah, to the right. Oh no, it's upside down. But anyway, so yeah, that's your plastic plane. And you can add turrets and stuff onto it and kill people. Slice with wings. Anyway, yeah, you can have different effects and things. Doesn't really matter. So yeah, remember to subscribe, like, and rate. It helps me out a lot. Thank you. Give me a death out.